TaskRabbit lets some workers charge $25 to over $100 per hour, depending on the category, and unlike Fiverr or Upwork, you can get paid for offline jobs in your city the same day. By the end of this, you'll know what TaskRabbit is good for, where it falls short, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. Here's the short answer. TaskRabbit is worth it if you want local service work. It's not great if you want fully remote freelancing. That difference matters. TaskRabbit connects people with local workers for tasks like furniture assembly, moving help, cleaning, mounting TVs, and handyman work. That means demand is tied to your city. If you live in a busy area, you'll usually see more jobs. If you live in a smaller town, the app can feel slow. Setup is simple. You create a profile, choose your skills, set your hourly rates, and pass identity verification. Some categories may also require background checks. That makes trust a big part of the platform. Now, the money. Furniture assembly is one of the strongest categories because buyers often need fast help. Moving jobs also pay well because they're urgent. Cleaning can bring repeat clients. The advantage is direct local demand. You're not fighting global competition like Fiverr. That means your rates depend more on local pricing than cheap international bids. But there are downsides. TaskRabbit takes a service fee from what clients pay. That cuts into your earnings. Work is also inconsistent. Some weeks are packed. Some weeks are quiet. Your income depends on season, location, and your reviews. Another issue is travel time. A 1-hour job can turn into 2 hours if you factor in driving. That changes your real hourly rate. So who should use it? TaskRabbit makes sense if you're good with hands-on work and want fast local income. It works especially well for side hustles. It makes less sense for writers, designers, or coders. Those skills fit better on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The best strategy is choosing high-demand categories and pricing slightly below local averages at first. That helps build reviews faster. Quick recap. TaskRabbit is strong for local physical work. It can pay well in active cities. It's weaker for remote digital skills. Your next step is simple. Check if your city has enough active tasks before spending time setting up your profile. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more freelancing platform reviews.